Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is August 26th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading or investing decisions, but I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Sorry again, guys, I am a little bit late. I'm still on vacation until next Monday. I'm trying to squeeze those videos in, but sometimes life gets in the way. So Tesla closed down 10 bucks and 4 cents, minus 1.41%. We closed at 701.16. Post-market, we seem to be, I'm sorry, I'm just laughing. We seem to be even Steven at 701. 701. Okay, so what does this look like on the screen? Yeah, so we are really making it top. So here we were going sideways. We could have seen this as a very small congestion zone, but now that we are going down here towards 697, and look at this. There's no coincidence, guys. Let me see. The low of the day was 697.62. Okay, 62 cents off. But look at the chart here. The wick touched 697 exactly. Red candle, and we have a lower high than yesterday, and then a little bit bigger wick on top than at the bottom, so a little bit of a selling pressure. Let me just extend this support right here. Yeah, so if I extend this support right here, then you see that we broke that support. So in terms of the velocity of the move that we had since August 17, it has been broken. And I want to be doing something like this too. Doing something like this, and look at this. This resistance right here, this resistance right here. See, the 2 wicks touch exactly perfectly on it. Let's go see with the 1 hour chart. So 1 hour chart, so we opened here at 9:30. So 9:30 was a pretty good candle. So we started here at the bottom, went all the way up to 7:15. This would have been okay if we had been continuing. But now we just, during the second hour, we just came down, and look at stochastic on the second hour. On the first hour stochastic was at 56, so quite a big drop from the last stochastic that we had at 84. If you had looked at Tesla on the 1 hour chart, if you had seen after the first candle that stochastic dropped to 56, that could have told you right there, the rest of the day is going to be crap. And basically this is what happened, and now he's even at 16. This is why I did not do it this time, but this is why I like to switch between the time frames. So if I sometimes enter a stock on the hourly chart, then I get a better entry than if I enter on the daily chart. And then I can ride the daily chart, and when I want to get out at the specific point, then I switch to the 1 hour chart to get just a more precise exit. So this is a little tip. This is something that I like to do. And here for a nice swing, it would have been nice to just get out on the second hour. Stochastic on the hourly chart just came down to 16. The MI is still okay, and MACD crossed over bearish. So MACD crossing over bearish could have also been a signal, but then MACD crosses over when a stock pauses. So when a stock goes up and then stabilizes a little bit, then the two lines of MACD will just overlap. So then, yes, is it a crossover? Is it not a crossover? It's hard to say until there's further movement. But depending on what is your strategy, you could decide, okay, I'm going to sell when the two MACD lines overlap. Or you can decide, no, I'm going to wait until stochastic loses some steam. So if stochastic goes under 75 or 70 or 60, depending on your tolerance for risk. Going back to the daily chart. So now we have this resistance right here. So we are in a symmetrical triangle basically. If we look at MACD almost crossed over bullish but did not do it. The blue line is at 805 and the orange line is at 899, so it looks like we won't cross that. And looking at stochastic at 64, DMI is still okay. So looking at stochastic at 64, I think we might be going down like this. So I think we are going to do this. We can still stay above support. That's not impossible, but most likely we are going to revisit 675 a little bit. That's my guess. If you had to ask me, this is what I would say. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, liking, commenting. You can also become a member of this YouTube channel to get access to my exclusive weekly technical analysis video I do during the weekend. And if you are there online at the same time, you can join in and we can chat. So I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, last day of the week, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.